What is going on, you guys? It is Dante, and this is going to be our first lesson at Let's Learn Together. It's basically going to be about Ruby programming language, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to store variables as well as how to print stuff to the screen. So, printing stuff to the screen like message boxes and stuff like that. Pretty simple stuff for our first lesson, and let's just jump right into it. The first program we're going to have you download is going to be called Hackety Hack. It is a really good program. It's based off the Shoes app, I guess you could say, and it teaches you basic Ruby. Even though we're not going to really be paying attention to the lessons in Hackety Hack because I am here to guide you along, but it is important that you download this. And when you do download Hackety Hack, it is easy to install. All you got to do is double click on the exe and the administrative thing will pop up, and you just click yes and install it. Real easy and quick. So let's go ahead. So let's start up Hackety Hack here, and you will see a hand and it'll say welcome to Hackety Hack. Let's just click on ready. So in Hackety Hack, first you could have your programs in the beginning, and it's really useful for the fact that when you click on a program, it doesn't necessarily run them. All it does is show you the code, and you may run them if you want to. So it is really useful if you're trying to remember something. Say you forgot a simple code, and you just want to go back and see what exactly you want to do, or how exactly you want to edit the program that you did. Then you can just go on to your programs, and that's about it. Hackety Hack does come with an editor, so you can code your own programs and it will be easy. So in Hackety Hack we have lessons. We have 4 lessons right now, but we're only going to be focusing on basic Ruby right now. If you guys want to go to a tour of Hackety Hack and basic programming, you guys may, and after we learn this basic Ruby, we will be going on to basic Shoes. So we're going to break up basic Ruby into 2 parts. This first part here, the one that you're watching right now as we speak, is gonna be basically focusing on variables, storing variables, and also printing stuff to the screen, as I'm pretty sure I said that earlier in the video. So we're just gonna click on next. These arrows here do move the previous and next slides, and it also brings up the index for you so you can have access to all the slides more easy. So this is the guy that created Ruby. We'll just call him Mats, as it says. In 1995 he created Ruby. He's from Japan, hence konnichiwa Ruby. Ruby is one of the simplest programming languages, I would say, because to print stuff to the screen is a little less complex than C or another programming language that I might mess with. So we'll just go ahead and click on the editor for this first lesson. So to print stuff to the screen, you're going to use a command called alert. So using the command alert followed by a quotation mark, and whatever you want to say in the quotation mark, you can create a little program here. So alert prints stuff to the screen, but alert will only print stuff to the screen when you have a string in between the 2 quotation marks. So we do have hello world in between the 2 quotation marks, preceded by alert, and when we do click run, you do get hello world. Now you don't always have to make it say hello world. Obviously, I can also say hello, my name is Dante, and you run it and it'll say hello, my name is Dante. As long as you have the alert command followed by quotation marks, and then whatever you want to say inside the quotation marks followed by an N quotation mark, you will always print stuff to the screen that way. So alert mixed with storing variables will be easy to call out whatever you want to say. So for example, the way we store variables in Ruby programming language is basically specifying something and put in an equal sign. So depending wherever my viewers are, wherever you are in school, then you'll notice that in school you might say x equals to 9, or x equals to -5. It's kind of the same language. It's kind of the same process with programming languages. Like for example, we'll say name equals Dante. So we'll say name equals Dante. Now the computer stores this in its memory. So when we do go to the next line of code, it is stored. So name equals Dante. Now the way that this may prove useful to you is, let's say we want to do alert. Now we don't want to do alert and then we have Dante again, even though that will work and it'll still print Dante to the screen. But it is much easier if you just put alert and name. When you do put alert name, you click run, you will see Dante because name is stored as Dante. Right. So storing variables and using the alert command can prove useful. Now you don't even have to store it as name per se. Say you just want N for name and you store that as Dante. Then when you go back to alert, you could just alert N, and when you run it, it will say Dante. Now this is going to be our first lesson in Hackety Hack and Ruby programming language. It was a basic lesson, and next lesson will be using the ask command and get an input from our users, as well as using the if, else, and end commands. Therefore we can change it up. So all four of those things will it'll give you a basic program. So it is Dante here at Let's Learn Together, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and comment on this video if it helped, and I am out, you guys. Peace.